Why hello there. I am back with another wig review for you guys from Divatress.com, and this review is on this gorgeous teal number I'm wearing right now, and this is from Bobbi Boss. This is the Swiss lace front wig in MLF 136 Yara. And I have to say, it looks exactly like the picture on the website, which is always good. Now on the website, it is being sold for $39.95. I think that's a really good price for a lace front wig that is this sturdy and it's very dense. You can't see the wig cap through it at all. And I'm looking at the color choices. There are several color choices. There's jet black, off black, dark brown, medium brown, black cherry, red curly, teal, green, indigo blue, teal blue. There are so many colors for this wig, it's ridiculous. And in the description this says that this is premium synthetic fiber from the Swiss lace collection, high heat fiber, safe heat styling, and this is also a handmade Swiss lace deep part. And what that means is that this part you see right here, you can see all the way through to your scalp, all the way to the back here. There is a lace piece that goes all the way to the front. Now in most lace front wigs, the lace only goes to about here and then it stops. But for this one, I like that they have that lace so you can actually make it really look like your scalp. Now, I did do some modification to this wig because when I first got it, I felt like the part wasn't very realistic looking for me. So what I did, I'll show you guys what it looked like beforehand. Beforehand, it looked just fine, but I felt like the front was very severe and the hair looked a little unusual to me. Like I could tell it was a wig. So what I did was I plucked the parting and I also added a little bit of concealer to the wig too. Another thing you can do to help with your parting looking more realistic is you can add concealer, you can add your foundation, and you can also wear a wig cap that is similar to your skin tone. So that way when you have a wider part like this, when you peek through and see what's underneath the wig, it won't be your hair if it's a different color. Say if your hair is dark brown like mine, where you can see right here, this is where the wig cap is kind of sliding back so you can see right down through to my hair. Other than that, I really enjoyed the cut of this wig. As you can see, it's very sharp. I think the dye job is really beautiful. The way they ombre the dark black roots into the teal, it looks flawless and it looks like real hair. The other thing about this wig that I like is that it's not very shiny. For a lot of my lace front wigs, I find that they have kind of an unrealistic shine to it, and they're usually made of a very plasticky feeling fiber. Now this, I'm not sure exactly why this is so different. I guess this kind of fiber that they use, but it really looks like natural human hair, and that seems to be consistent with the Bobbi Boss brand because this other wig that I have from Bobbi Boss is the same kind of fiber and it's not super shiny in any kind of lighting. So I'm a big fan of whatever fiber it is that they use because it looks great, it feels nice. It's kind of on the medium side when it comes to softness. It does feel very nice when you run your fingers through it, but it's also not super plasticky and it's not super harsh. Overall, I'm a big fan, and also on the inside of the cap, there are two hooks up here so that you can pull it around and it will come flying off your head. And there's also a hook in the back and the bottom, so that really makes sure that this is going to stick tight to your head. The only thing I didn't really like was that I had to widen the part because I felt like it looked very unrealistic when I first got the wig. So that was the only thing I disliked about this, but other than that, it was very true to the color and style that I saw on the website, and I'm a big fan of this teal. It's so unique, I don't have anything else like it in my wig collection. Those are my thoughts on this unit. Please let me know down below in the comments what you think of this wig. Would you try it? Do you like it? And thank you so much to Divatress for sending this to me to review. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good one. Bye.